Hello dear student, we are going to calculate the area of triangle. There is an example in your textbook. To find the area of this triangular portion of the overbridge, you can see here. This overbridge is given on rent. This triangular portion is given on rent for advertised purpose. And it has got the sides 122 meter, the upper side, 120 meter, the lower side, and 22 meter. You can see here, this is the triangular portion. It is given for on rent for advertisement purpose on overbridge. So how to calculate the cost of the advertisement for 3 months, 1 quarter, it is given. So let us see the solution. The length of the sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. So this is a right angle triangle. We can see here and see here whether it is right angle triangle or not, that we can verify using Pythagorean triplet. So using that method, the hypotenuse is 122 square is equal to 120 square plus 22 square. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say that the walls are in the form of a right angle triangle. So the area of one wall is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Direct we can use the formula, no need to use the Heron's formula. So 1 by 2 into 122 is the base, and then 120 into 22. The area is 1320 meter square. The rate of the yearly rent of the wall is 5000 rupees per meter square. Means 1 meter square if you go for advertisement here, it costs rupees 5000. So so monthly rent 5000. So we can see 5 rupees 5000 by 12 per meter square. Hence the rent paid by a company for hiring the wall of area 1320 meter square. So 1320 into 3 divided by 5000 by 12, because in 12 months means 1 year, and the company has taken for only 3 months, so 3 by 12. So the rate is 5000 into 1320 is the area into rate into time period. What period we have taken? For 3 months. So 3 months is the 1 quarter of the year. So 3 by 12, because the rate is given per year, we have to calculate the rate per month. So per month rate is 5000 by 12. This is per month rate, and this is area, and this is 3 months we have taken. So per month rate, area, and into 3 months. So total cost is 1 lakh 16 lakh 50,000. 16 lakh 50,000. Like this we can find its area. Then another example, if we see in this Heron's formula chapter, the sides of the triangle are 56 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 52 centimeter long. Find the area of the triangle. The solution is like this. You can see here the sides of the triangle are 56. A is equal to 56 centimeter, B is equal to 60 and C is equal to 52. And then you can find the perimeter of the triangle. So directly go for semi perimeter. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Then it is equal to 50 plus 60 plus 52 by 2. 168 by 2 is equal to 84 centimeter. That is equal to S. That is half of the perimeter, means semi perimeter. So area of the triangle as per Heron's formula is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So 84 into 84 minus what is first side? 56. 84 minus 60 the second side. 84 minus 52 the third side, centimeter square. So if we go for calculation, 84 into 28 into 24 into 32, like this, by subtracting these values. Then we can split up this 12 into 7 into 4 into 12 into 64. So you can see here 12 into 12, square root is 12, 7 into 7, square root is 7, and then you can see the square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 64 is 8. So finally we got 12 into 7 into 2 into 8, the square root. So if we multiply these we get 1344 centimeter square. So in this way we can use the Heron's formula to find the area of given triangle. One more example you see. Find the area of triangle of two sides which are 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42. So here two sides of the triangle are given and its perimeter is given. So we can write the two sides are A is equal to 18, B is equal to 10. You can see here, and you can see the third side. How to find the third side? Perimeter minus A plus B means the sum of two sides. So 42 minus 28 is equal to 14. So in this way we got the third side. So after getting the third side, you go for semi-perimeter. 42 upon 2 is equal to 21. So area of triangle is equal to, write the formula, S into S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Then 21 into 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, and third side recently we got 21 minus 14 centimeter square. If you subtract this, 21 into 3, because you see here 21 minus 18 means 3, then 21 minus 10 means 11, and then 21 minus 14 means 7. Now we can split up this. 21 into 21 into 11. So 21 into 21 means 121 we can take outside of the third, that is 21 into under root 11 centimeter square, because under root 11 is irrational number. So in this way we can get the area 21 under root 11 centimeter square. One more example you see. The sides of the triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25. The ratio of three sides of the triangle are given and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. This is the example. Now the perimeter is 540 centimeter and the ratio of the sides are like this. Then the sum of the ratios is equal to 54. Then the three sides of the triangle will be, you can see here, this A is equal to first side, then 540 centimeter, and the first ratio is 12 by 54 centimeter is equal to 120 centimeter. Then B is equal to 17 by 54, then it is into 540. So 17 by 54 is the ratio of second side, then ratio into the perimeter. So you will get the 170 centimeter. And C, third side is the ratio is 25. Then total sum of the ratios is 54. So 25 by 54 into 540 we will get 250 centimeter. So in this way we can get the three sides using this ratio. Another method is also there. You can take this as a 12x, 17x and 25x. So total is 54x. So 54x is the perimeter is equal to 540. So x is equal to 540 upon 54, x is equal to 10. And you multiplying by this x is equal to 10 to 12, that is 120. Multiplying by 10 to 17 is 170. Multiplying by 10 to 25 is 250. In this way also you can get one and the same. So semi-perimeter we can calculate. S is equal to 540 by 2 centimeter is equal to 270 centimeter. That is semi-perimeter. So area of the triangle equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then 270 into 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250. Suppose you subtract this, 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. Then by factorizing this, 27 into 3, that is the factor of 270 into 100 into 100 into 100. So if we calculate the square root, you will get it is 9000 centimeter square, because the square root of 100 is 10, 10 into 10 into 10, and you can see here 27 means 3 into 3 into 3. How many times? 3 times. So this 3 times and this 1 time means 4 times, means 1 9 will come. So 9 into 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 9000 centimeter square. So in this way we can understand this. 27 into 3, like this you can get here, means 27 into 3 by factorizing this, 27 into 3 into 100 into 100 into 100, like this. So by taking the square root, we can calculate this. So 10 into 10 into 10, you can see here 10 into 10 into 10, and this one 3 into 27 means 3 into 3 into 3 4 times, means 3 into 3 will come outside, that is 9. So 9 into 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 9000 centimeter square. So in this way we can find the area of triangle using Heron's formula. Thank you very much.